Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete system folders in the Files app on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, be sure to put your likes and also write your comments at the end of the video. And let's get into this topic. And first of all, open up the Folders app on your phone or Files. Now you'll need to go to the Browse section to browse. Next, select on My iPhone. So that will take you to all the folders that are in the Files app. And then if you say you want to delete a regular folder, you just swipe it from the right side to the left, like this, and click Delete. So as you can see, the folder will be deleted instantly. But if you're trying to delete, swipe the system folder that was created, you won't be able to do that. I have this kind of folder with Chrome, and I found a workaround on how you can do that. You'll need to go to the system folder, and here in that folder, delete absolutely all media files or documents that are in that folder. To do this, you can also swipe from the right side to the left side and click Delete. And if you can see, right away I had my Chrome system folder automatically deleted because I deleted a file that was in it. So this is the way, friends, you will be able to delete system folders in the Files app on your iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also be sure to subscribe to this channel. And see you soon.